Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Now the car is not done yet, but today we have a special video, a product installation that we're going to be installing in the G, which is going to complete our all blackout interior. Now before I go on to say any more information, I do want to say a special thanks, special shout out to Manicci International Luxury Floor Mats. They were able to sponsor this video and they were super kind enough to send me the floor mats to complete our interior here in the G35. So if you have some time, check them out, let you guys know how easy or hard it is to install, how good the material is, and we'll go ahead and review and install the product today. They do design custom floor mats. Our floor mats are custom to specifically the G35 and specifically the left-hand drive G35. If you have a right-hand drive vehicle, you have to make sure to tell them so that they can, you know, customize it to a right-hand drive vehicle. If you have any other different cars, make sure to tell them that as well. They ask you all the information and they can make a set of custom mats for your specific cars. Now today we're going to be installing it. This is a 2005 Infiniti G35. They were able to send us, in this bag came this is the back seat floor mats. It's like a leather with the tan stitching. So far the leather feels really good. It actually feels like leather, like the one that comes in your car. Really good. From what I can tell, the stitching is well done. I don't see any loose ends. Nicely stitched, no loose ends, nothing like it's made from Ross or anything. Maybe this one a little bit, but that's very tiny. You won't even see it. Everything else is crisp. And then this is the king of all. This is gonna be my floor mat where my feet are gonna go. Has like a nice rough area here. You guys know where it's at. And it has right here Manicci, check that out. You can see right there, luxury auto styling. It would have said BeDistinct. Oh, even better, but either way it looks really good. Pretty sure this is gonna hold it on the side, and it also comes with Velcro so that it attaches to your carpet. It also comes with extra Velcros just in case that you want to adjust at a specific location that it's not really fitting. They gave you extras, and they also gave you extra clips and these other special clips as well. So just in case if you need them for special custom adjustment. But regardless, let's go ahead and get started. We gotta go ahead and vacuum it and take out some stuff. But let me show you the interior so that you guys can see how close we are to completing it. So take a look. This is our interior so far. Not bad. Let me show you a couple days ago how our interior looked. When I just got this G35, I'm gonna show you how this is how it looked. You guys can see the interior was all tan. Even the OEM seats were all tan. Everything was tan, and now look at it, man. What a transformation. The dash was already black, but now we got the suede pillars here. I don't know if you guys can see. I think that's a better look right there. We got the suede here on the top. Shout out to my friend Juan and his pops. We got the black card holder. We got the black sun visors. We got the only thing we left tan was that in the middle. I wasn't sure how to take it off, and I did want to leave a couple tan accent pieces because the floor mats do have tan stitching. Regardless, we painted the rear back quarter panels. You guys can see over there the rear back quarter panels. We kept the black seats. Literally the only thing that's tan is that holder, that right there, which is very minimal, and then obviously the floor. We're gonna install the floor mats. It should look a lot crispier, brand new, man, and it's gonna black out the whole car. It should look freaking awesome. And to top it off, we're gonna put in those black trees. You know what I'm talking about? Sir, yes sir, ready for duty. Oh, we also have the tan seat belts. I forgot, but should look good. Like I said, my car wasn't really dirty. It just has a lot of stains. Anyways, we're just gonna put them in its spot, and then I'll grab you right. 3, 2, 1. So after a couple tries and attempts, this is what it looks like. This is with the seat already in position. You can see it covers most of it. As you can see, most of it is black. Obviously this still on the side is still gonna show the back. Obviously that's still exposed, but we still need to do the front. But overall it looks good, especially with the seat recline. It looks like I was mistaken. This actually has a long flap here, which might be for this side right here, which, man, this thing it just surprises me more and more every time. Okay, let's go ahead, fix this in spot, and let's see the result. Here's the result for the passenger side here from the inside. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it looks really snug. My only thing is, should I tuck in that edge? I know that edge kind of makes it look like, you know, oh, there's clear, like it should go tucked in, you know, so it looks like carpet. I'm gonna see if I can do that actually. I think it'll look a lot better. Now I try to tuck it in as best as I could. The only thing about this is that I took this off to try to tuck it in, but this material is very thick, and it's good because it's comfy. It has a padding. It's very comfy floor mat, so it's very good. But obviously it's not supposed to be tucked, so it's kind of creating like a pressure force up. So I don't know if this it's held on by clips, so I don't know if it'll push it off, you know. But at least for right now, at least with the strength of all the clips together, they're acting really good, and it's not coming up. So I think it's looking pretty good. Oh my god, it's looking like too many damn diamonds. Got diamond seats, diamond floors. Holy crap, might have to confuse this with the Rolls Royce. All right, y'all, now we're putting in the holy grail of all, right? My own floor mat. Now this is where I'm talking about. You could take off this piece. Oh my god, I want to make sure at least one of the parts is clipped, that far end. And you see this, you only got so much space. Look, you got like literally, there's a crease. See, it's supposed to be sitting flat like this, but as you get it, that starts to lift because there's too much pressure there. But yeah, if it starts popping off on you, like in the future you're riding and then this shit boom pops off and like it starts becoming a problem, then yeah, go ahead, you're gonna have to take it off and then put this back on, right, with the clips. But for right now, since it's not popping off and it looks really good with that OEM look and that super amazing badge, then we're just gonna go ahead and leave it like that. Now to tuck it in on that side, I do use tools like this. These are like plastic tools so that you don't hurt the interior, but let me show you guys a little bit. So I go like this. Usually you have these clips, right, that pop up, and then you could just insert them and they stay like that, right? But like I said, I don't like this ridge because it doesn't look bad, you know. It's just that it makes it look like, oh, you know, it was added on there. It's not supposed to be like that. And I like things that kind of look OEM a little bit. I try my best to make OEM fittings just because it looks good overall, you know. It looks like it's meant to be, like it was meant to be there. Obviously I can't do that with everything, so on some things. So now it looks complete. This actually extended pretty damn far. Look at this. Now we only have like this kind of section, but it extends pretty far. You got that amazing badging right there. All right, quick little issue right here. I had to lift it up again. It was popping off, like I said, the issue you guys would have. So I did the clips, and now it turned out a lot cleaner. You can't really see the tan, and even though it has the edge, it kind of acts like an outline. So now it looks really good. The only reason I didn't want it was because it was creating these pockets here, and you could see the tan carpet within. But now it looks really against the what do you call this? You guys know what I've said it before, but now it looks really clean. So let's go ahead and do that to the other side, and then you're just gonna seal it. And this time the tab is so skinny that it's not creating a pressure up, so you're really securing that carpet. So now if you guys see, it's pretty flush to the, what is this called? I hella forgot. Takes a little bit of patience, nothing too difficult. And let's grab the light and let me show you the final result. Alright, so here we go. Check this out. Got that awesome badging, like I said. Covers most of it. You guys can see. Covers most. Now, I believe these floor mats are waterproof, so you can easily clean them out. Let's check out the other side. Really good in the back. It looks really good in the back. It's really sticking onto the whole carpet. It's not really floppy or anything. Like, it's really grabbing on. So that's awesome. I love it. Great look, dude. Now we only need a carbon steering wheel, and I was thinking about getting some carbon trims here for like that whole aluminum piece and a couple other pieces here on the side. I was thinking about getting some carbon pieces, but yeah, that would look sick, dude. It's coming so much better than the yellow G. I'm loving this already, dude. I'm loving it a lot. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I actually recorded the outro, but I had a little mishap happen in the clip, so I had to redo it. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys anyways, thank you to Manicci for sponsoring this video. They came out absolutely amazing. I'm really happy with the product overall. For you guys that are viewing this video, the product, I wouldn't say fits perfectly, but overall fits really good. As you guys saw on the video clips, overall the fitting was really good. It really completely changes the bottom flooring of the car. It looks absolutely amazing, and I'm really happy with this product. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm super close to taking the G35 out in the sun, man. I just need to wait for the hood and we're pretty much done. So thank you guys so much for supporting the channel, and definitely it really means a lot to me. Thank you for everybody, man. I'll catch you guys next video with an update in the car, and you guys already know, be safe, be crazy, be distinct out there. I'll catch you guys next video. Peace.